let's make the easiest at-home vegan mayo. This recipe requires only a handful of ingredients. Add half a cup of aquafaba or chickpea liquid to a blender, mustard, white wine vinegar, and a pinch of salt, and combine until everything is really nice and smooth, ideally at a low speed. Add 3/4 cup of oil of choice. I chose to use sunflower oil, and gradually add until it's super nice and smooth. Let it chill in the fridge to completely set, and you can also do this with a hand blender. Thanks so much for this super simple recipe, and tune in next Friday. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.